Do you know many people are having trouble with printing envelopes correctly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare envelopes. Prepare the envelopes by flattening any curls and aligning the edges to ensure they're even. Step 2. Load envelopes. Load the envelopes into the paper cassette with the front side up and adjust their position. Step 3. Adjust guides. Adjust the paper guides for a snug fit so there's no space that can cause misfeeds. Step 4. Set printer. Set the correct envelope size and print settings in your printer driver on the computer. Step 5. Start printing. Start the print job from your application, ensuring the printer is ready for envelope printing. Now, you can confidently print envelopes using your Canon i-Sensys MF3010 printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.